CommissionOS Launchpad is the AI-powered command center built to make CPA marketing faster, easier, and way more beginner-friendly. It's positioned as the tool that can handle up to 90% of the heavy lifting, helping you launch smarter campaigns without getting buried in technical work. Instead of jumping between dozens of tools, spreadsheets, tutorials, and traffic guides, CommissionOS brings everything together in one streamlined platform. From finding offers to creating content and tracking campaigns, it's designed to help you move from idea to launch with serious speed. One of the biggest highlights is the Offer Finder, which helps users discover CPA offers without wasting hours digging through networks manually. Pair that with the Offer Analyzer, and you get a smarter way to evaluate opportunities before committing time, traffic, or budget. CommissionOS also includes done-for-you campaigns, making it easier to get started even if you're brand new to CPA marketing. This is a huge advantage for anyone who wants proven campaign structure without having to build every piece from scratch. The built-in content generator is another major win, giving users AI assistance for creating campaign assets, promotional copy, and marketing content. That means less staring at a blank screen and more time getting campaigns live. With the Landing Builder, users can create landing pages designed for CPA promotions without needing coding or design skills. This helps remove one of the biggest barriers for beginners and speeds up the entire campaign building process. CommissionOS Launchpad also supports traffic education through both Free Traffic Academy and Paid Traffic Academy sections. Whether you want to grow organically or scale with ads, the platform gives you guidance to help you understand your traffic options. Getting accepted into CPA networks can be intimidating, but the Network Approval Guide helps simplify the process. Combined with the CPA Network section, CommissionOS gives users a clearer path toward finding and joining the right affiliate networks. The platform also includes tracking tools, tutorials, campaign details, and a clean dashboard to keep everything organized. For serious users, features like the Agency Dashboard and Pro Push Builder add even more power for scaling and managing campaigns. Overall, CommissionOS Launchpad feels like an all-in-one CPA marketing accelerator built for action takers. If you want a faster, simpler, AI-assisted way to find offers, build campaigns, create content, and launch with confidence, this platform is packed with exciting potential.